Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR and zip file packing and unpacking app on your Samsung Galaxy M13. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter RAR. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open our app. Now grant all file access to the RAR app, so you need to scroll down and find it. It's right here. Now let's go back, dismiss this notification, and our app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.